Good morning, students. Myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Morindi Dhanbad. Today we will going to start a new chapter of class, that is chapter 9, reproduction in animals. So what do you mean by reproduction? So reproduction is, let us discuss the definition first. Reproduction is a biological process in which an organism gives rise to another one similar to itself. Okay. Reproduction can be divided into two part type, that is given modes of reproduction. So reproduction can be of two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In this part we will discuss about sexual reproduction, later we will discuss about asexual reproduction. Okay, we all know that organisms give rise to their young ones, like a cow gives rise to a calf. Okay, dog give rise to puppies. So the offspring that are obtained are similar to their parents. A calf resembles its parents, a puppy resembles its parents. So in reproduction the organism give rise to another organism similar to itself. Okay, as we can see in many animals there are examples given for many animals. Now let us discuss about sexual reproduction. Okay, in sexual reproduction, sexual reproduction is reproduction in which organism give rise to gametes which fuse together to form a zygote. This zygote upon division give rise to the whole individuals. So we are discussing precisely about human reproductive system. So humans show sexual dimorphism, that male and female members are different. Okay, this male and female members develop different kind of gametes. Male produces sperm, female produces ovum, and when these gametes fuse together, okay, they form a structure called zygote. Okay, and this zygote develops into an individual. Okay, the sexual reproduction takes place not only in humans but also in higher plants and other animals like cow, buffalo, dog, cat, lion, tiger, etc. Okay, however the basic mode of reproduction remains the same in humans as well as in some animals and plants. Okay, however there are some difference. Okay, so let us look upon the male reproductive system, human male reproductive system. As we can see, the male reproductive system, there are two structures called testes which are located outside the body, okay, in a pouch called scrotum. So this testes produces sperms by the process of spermatogenesis. Okay, and these sperms are produced in large number. This sperm are transferred into the female genitalia during the sexual act through a structure called penis, that is already given. Okay, so these are gametes which consist of half the number of chromosomes as the parent. Now the actual structure, the gametes of the male consist of the gametes of males are known as sperm. Sperm consists of following parts, as you can see: the head, middle piece, and tail. They swim around a medium called semen and move to the female reproductive tract, where it meets the ovum and fuses this to form zygote. Now the female reproductive system, as we can see the different structure in female reproductive system, ovaries are there, a pair of ovaries are there, which produces this travel into the uterus, and this travel into the oviduct, and when sperm enters into female genitalia, they meet the ovum in the oviduct, where you can see fusion takes place and result in this development of zygote. This zygote develop in the whole individual, and this development of zygote takes place in the uterus. As you can see the structure uterus, the last structure uterus. Okay, now ovum or egg. The ovum is quite different from sperm. Ovum is larger than sperm. It is spherical in shape, as you can see in the figure 9.4. It consists of nucleus and cytoplasm like a typical cell. Okay, so only one ovum are produced at a time in female, but in male large number of sperms are produced. About millions of sperms are produced, of which only one sperm succeeds in fertilizing a ovum. That means only one sperm will enter, only one sperm will fuse the ovum. However, many millions of sperm enters the genitalia, but actually one sperm succeeds in fertilizing the ovum to form zygote. Fertilization. So the following are the steps of fertilization. Okay. So the sperm comes in contact with the egg and fuses with the egg. This process is known as fertilization, and this results in formation of zygote. Now the nucleus of sperm and the ovum meet together to form zygote. Okay.